Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Travel Guide World, your go-to spot for all things travel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Vietnam, a place that's a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. Things to do in Vietnam. Welcome to Vietnam, a land of breathtaking beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the tranquil waters of Ha Long Bay, Vietnam offers a sensory feast that will captivate and inspire you. Prepare to be amazed by ancient temples, stunning landscapes, and the warmth of the Vietnamese people. Vietnam's complex past is etched in its ancient cities, colonial architecture, and poignant war memorials. Yet, amidst the historical echoes, a modern Vietnam thrives. Witness the energy of street vendors, the aroma of exotic spices, and the smiles of locals eager to share their traditions. Whether you seek adventure, cultural immersion, or simply relaxation, Vietnam has something for every traveler. This comprehensive guide will unveil the best of Vietnam. Get ready to experience the magic of this captivating country. So, pack your bags, grab your map, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey to Vietnam. Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, is a city of contrasts where ancient history meets modern dynamism. The city's heart is the enchanting Old Quarter, a labyrinthine network of narrow streets. Here you'll find ancient temples, traditional shophouses, and bustling markets. Explore the bustling streets, savor delicious street food, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Don't miss the Huan Kim Lake, a serene oasis in the heart of the city. Visit the Ngoc Sun Temple, perched on a small island in the lake. Take a cyclo-tour for a unique perspective of the city's charm. In the evening, enjoy a traditional water puppet show, a unique art form originating in the Red River Delta. For a glimpse into Vietnam's history, visit the Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first national university, explore the peaceful courtyards and admire the ancient architecture. Another must-visit is the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, where the revered leader of Vietnam rests. Pay your respects and learn about his legacy. Hanoi is also a culinary paradise, offering a tantalizing array of flavors. Indulge in a bowl of steaming pho, Vietnam's national dish, or sample the flavorful bun cha. Don't forget to try the strong and aromatic Vietnamese coffee, best enjoyed in a local cafe. Hanoi's unique blend of history, culture, and culinary delights will leave a lasting impression on your Vietnamese adventure. Ho Chi Minh City, formerly known as Saigon, is a vibrant metropolis that pulsates with energy. As Vietnam's largest city, it's a melting pot of cultures and a hub of commerce and innovation. Experience the city's unique blend of old and new as you navigate its bustling streets. Explore the colonial architecture of District 1, home to iconic landmarks such as the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Central Post Office. Delve into the city's turbulent past at the War Remnants Museum, a poignant reminder of the Vietnam War. For a taste of local life, wander through the bustling Ben Thanh Market. Escape the city buzz with a visit to the Chu Chi Tunnels, an extensive network of underground tunnels used by Viet Cong soldiers during the war. These tunnels stand as a testament to the Vietnamese people's resilience and ingenuity. Learn about the tunnel system and even crawl through sections, offering a unique perspective on history. In the evening, experience the city's vibrant nightlife. Enjoy dinner on a rooftop restaurant overlooking the cityscape or savor street food at a local market. Ho Chi Minh City is a city that never sleeps, offering an unforgettable experience for every visitor. Ha Long Bay, a natural wonder. Escape the city bustle and embark on a breathtaking journey to Ha Long Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located in northeastern Vietnam, this natural wonder features thousands of limestone islands rising dramatically from emerald waters. Explore the bay's hidden caves, pristine beaches, and floating villages. Cruise through the mystical landscape, marvel at the towering limestone formations, and soak in the tranquility of this natural masterpiece. Explore caves adorned with stalactites and stalagmites such as the Sung Sat Cave. Kayak through hidden lagoons, go swimming in the emerald waters, or simply relax on the deck of your boat. Visit a floating village where houses, schools, and shops bob on the water. Interact with the friendly locals and learn about their unique way of life. Savor fresh seafood, a specialty of the region, prepared with local herbs and spices. Spend a night on a traditional junk boat, waking up to breathtaking sunrise views over the bay. Halong Bay is a destination that will leave you in awe of nature's artistry. It's a place to reconnect with nature, find peace and tranquility, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Cu Chi Tunnels, echoes of the past. Journey back in time and delve into Vietnam's wartime history at the Cu Chi Tunnels. Located just outside Ho Chi Minh City, this intricate network of underground tunnels played a crucial role during the Vietnam War. Explore the tunnels and gain a deeper understanding of the country's past. Crawl through the narrow tunnels, experience the conditions the Viet Cong soldiers endured, and learn about their ingenious tactics. Discover hidden trapdoors, ventilation shafts, and even underground kitchens and hospitals. The tunnels are a testament to the Vietnamese people's resilience and determination. Above ground, explore the remnants of the war, including bomb craters and destroyed tanks. Watch a documentary about the tunnel system and the Vietnam War. Reflect on the human cost of conflict and the importance of peace. A visit to the Cu Chi Tunnels is a moving experience. It's a reminder of the human spirit's ability to overcome adversity. The tunnels offer a unique perspective on Vietnam's history and the impact of war. Landmarks of history and culture. Vietnam's rich history and culture are reflected in its numerous landmarks, each with captivating stories to tell. From ancient temples to colonial structures, these landmarks offer a glimpse into the country's past. Explore these historical treasures and deepen your understanding of Vietnam's heritage. In Hue, the former imperial capital, visit the UNESCO-listed imperial city. Explore the vast complex, admire the intricate architecture, and imagine the grandeur of the Nguyen dynasty. Don't miss the Tien Mu Pagoda, a 7-story octagonal tower that has become a symbol of Hue. My Son Sanctuary, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a complex of Hindu temples dating back to the Champa Kingdom. These sandstone structures, though partially ruined, still evoke a sense of awe and mystery. Explore the temples, learn about the Champa civilization, and marvel at their architectural prowess. These landmarks are not just historical relics but living testaments to Vietnam's enduring spirit. They offer a tangible connection to the past, enriching your understanding of the country's present and future. Well, there you have it, our comprehensive guide to Vietnam. From iconic landmarks to mouth-watering dishes and vibrant traditions, this country has something for every type of traveler. If you've been to Vietnam, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button for more travel guides like this. Until next time, happy travels. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content, and remember, the world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. See you in the next video.